Good morning, students. This class we are going to know about applications of trigonometry. Okay. Already we know what is the trigonometry. This class application of trigonometry. So first question: a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope, which is tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So read the question carefully, because after reading these questions, how to draw the diagram? You have to draw the right angle triangle. That's diagram is right angle triangle. Now a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. So what they given? The length of rope is 20 meter. The next one, it is tied from the top of a vertical pole. So there's a vertical pole. So I took AB is a pole. AB is a vertical pole to the ground. So let AC is a rope. So I took AC is the length of rope, they given that is 20 meter. Then AB is the height of the pole, they asked to find. Next one, if the angle made by the rope, so AC is a rope with the ground level. So where is the ground? BC is the ground, okay. So that makes an angle 30 degree, okay. So I draw the diagram with the help of this question. So here AB is the height of the pole, we want to find. Then AC is the length of rope, they given 20 meter, and the angle also 30 degrees they given, okay. Now right angle triangle ABC, we know the three ratios: sine, cos and tan, okay. Here according to the question, which ratio is useful? You have to use the ratios. Here I write sine ratio. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So sine theta in a triangle, you know sine theta formula, opposite by hypotenuse. What's opposite side? This is the theta, so opposite is called AB, and hypotenuse that is AC. So I write AB by AC. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to AB by 20. This cross multiplying. So 2AB is equal to 20. So I have AB is equal to 10 meter. What is the AB? The height of the pole. Therefore, the height of the pole is 10 meter. Okay, like this you have to write. Good morning, students. Now second question. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Actual, there is a tree is there. So like just assume that the scale is a tree. After the wind, it's broke down, so the top touches the earth, that is in the ground. Find height of the tree. That's the question. So I draw ABC. Actually, ACB1 is the height of the tree. The top, it's due to storm, it's break and touches the ground. So ACB is a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle ACB, what do you know? AB. A is the foot of the tree and B is the top of the tree. So we know AB. The distance between the foot and top touches the ground is 8 meter they given. Actually the height of the tree is ACB1, okay. Now the B1 is cutting the parts down, so we calculate ACB, okay. So now what is AB1? The height of the tree, and AB they given 8 meter. So I took in right angle triangle ABC. Here I will take cos theta. What's the cos theta formula? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is AB and hypotenuse BC in a right angle triangle, cos 30 degree. So cos 30 degree is equal to AB by BC. Just substitute the values of cos 30, that is root 3 by 2, and AB value is 8 and BC. Now cross multiply, we have BC is equal to 16 by root 3. Okay. So what is BC? BC, that's the broken parts. Okay. So the remaining part AC, I want to find the AC value. So that's a purpose I want to use another one ratio. Okay. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Just write the ratios and AC by AB. Tan 30 is equal to AC value I don't know, but AB value is 8. So just substitute tan 30 value. 1 by root 3 is equal to AC by 8. That is AC value 8 by root 3. Now listen, BC. What's BC? The broken parts. What's the AC? The remaining parts. But they ask me height of the tree. So height of the tree is equal to AC plus BC. So we know AC value is 8 by root 3 and BC value is 16 by root 3. Just add it, you have the answer. Thank you.